Welcome learners, this is your mentor, teacher and friend here. We will discuss articles in this session. So, what we know about articles? The words a or an and the are called articles. They come before nouns. If we talk about articles, it means kinds of articles, then we get a or an is called the indefinite article because it is usually leaves indefinite the person or thing spoken of, and the is called the definite articles, not articles, only article because the is singular. So it normally points out some particular person or thing. The indefinite article is used before singular countable nouns, as we know, and the definite article is used before singular countable nouns, plural countable nouns as well as uncountable nouns. And now we have to learn about use of the definite articles because indefinite articles are very common. We know about them. So I will especially focus today use of definite article, that is the. So be ready. The definite article the is used. If we say where, then we can say when we talk about a particular person or thing or one already referred to, that is when it is clear from the context which one already referred to, that is when it is clear from the constant which one we mean. Let's see its example, then you will be cleared. The book you want is out of print. It means article the is used here, and it means the book. Actually there are many books in our almiras, in our library. So the book, the special book, particular book or thing you want. Okay, and which book? The book that you want. So article the is used here. Next, the next rule is when a singular noun is meant to represent a whole class. When any singular noun is meant to represent a whole species in the word, so we have to put article the before that singular countable noun. Okay, as the example is here, the cow is a useful animal. Similarly, if we say cows are the useful animals, it means both the senses are tally here. Okay. Now next, the horse is a noble animal. It is also giving the same sense like the cows. Okay. The cat loves comfort. The rose is the sweetest of all flowers. The banyan is a kind of a fig tree. Okay. So there are many examples that denotes and mean to represent a whole class or whole species. Okay. Now next, we have to note one important thing from here, that is the two nouns man and woman. Okay, when man and woman are here, so the two nouns man and woman can be used in a general sense without either article. Without using articles, man and woman word is used here, and many sentences, if we make them, like man is mortal, like man is the only animal that uses fire, woman is man's mate. So it is singular countable noun here, but we do not use any article here. Okay, so we have to be mindful here. Okay, next. Before some proper names, these kinds of place names, actually there are many places, many rivers, many canals, deserts, group of islands, mount ranges. We uses definite article the here. Okay, before some proper nouns. Okay, and we have to learn about these things. They are only as a proper noun. Okay, so let's start one by one. Oceans and seas. Before the names of oceans and seas, we use article the, as the Pacific Ocean, the Black Sea. So here they are names of ocean and sea. So we use article the. Next, name of rivers, as the Ganga, the Nile, the Saryu, the Brahmaputra, the Krishna, the Kaveri. Next, canals name, the Suez Canal, the Sharda Canal. So we use definite article the before these nouns. Okay. Next, name of some desert, the Sahara, the Atacama. Okay, we use definite article the before these proper names. Next, group of islands, as the West Indies, the Nicobars. Okay. Next, mount ranges, the Himalayas, the Alps, and here it is not mentioned any peak point of mountains. Okay. Next, a very few names of countries, which includes words like republican, very important, republican, and kingdom, like the Irish Republic, the United Kingdom, also the Ukraine, the Netherlands, and its seat of government of the Hague. Hague is situated in the Netherlands. So article the is used here. It is very important thing that we have to know. Now next rule, before the names of certain books, as the Vedas, the Purans, the Iliads, the Ramayana. Okay, it is also important. But we say if apostrophe can be used, then no need of definite article the. Okay. Next, before names of unique things like the sun, the sky, the ocean, the sea, the earth. Okay, then we have to be mindful here. Next, before a proper noun, when it is qualified by an adjective or a defining adjectival clause, like the great Caesar, the immortal Shakespeare, it is also very important. Very important rule is here. And the sentence is given here. The Mr. Roy whom you met last night is my uncle. So actually Mr. Roy is proper noun, but the definite article the is used before this proper noun. important. Next, with superlatives, as the darkest cloud has a silver lining. This is the best book of elementary chemistry. So the best word is here, and the darkest are superlative adjective, and with superlative degrees we use article the before them. Okay. Next, with ordinals. Ordinal means that tells us the order. He was the first man to arrive, first, last, next, all these. Before, musical instruments, very important again. He can play the flute, the tabla, the harmonium. Okay. Next, before an adjective when the noun is understood. Just a minute. The poor are always with us. Actually, the poor word is an adjective, but when we use definite article before it can make a noun as a noun. It means it represent as noun. Next, before noun, to give the force of his superlative as the verb is the word in a sentence. Next, as an adverb with comparatives, as the more the merrier. It means more and merrier is adjective, and we use here a definite article the, and the is not only article here, it is working, it is here adverb. Yes, we can say it is adverb here. Okay, so today we have read and studied about definite articles, the use of the definite article. So how was the session? Please tell me in comment section, and please share my videos. If you do not subscribe yet, please subscribe my channel, and bye bye, take care, good night.